Howdy folks, welcome to Moundsville. Moundsville is located in Marshall County of West Virginia. It is situated along the majestic Ohio River in the northern panhandle of West Virginia. Since 2022, Moundsville has a population of approximately 9,000 people. Moundsville, West Virginia possesses a unique beauty that captivates visitors and residents alike. Nestled along the banks of the Ohio River and surrounded by rolling hills, the city offers a picturesque landscape that showcases the charm of the region. Moundsville derived its name from the conical burial mound called the Grave Creek Mound, one of the largest conical burial mounds in the United States. It was constructed by the ancient Adena culture around 200 BCE. When settlers arrived in the area, they recognized the presence of the remarkable mound and named the surrounding settlement Moundsville. The name pays homage to the historical and cultural significance of the Grave Creek Mound, which continues to be a prominent landmark in the city to this day. Another prominent landmark in Moundsville is the West Virginia State Penitentiary, which operated from 1876 to 1995. The penitentiary is known for its Gothic architectural style and has been featured in movies, television shows, and paranormal investigations due to rumors of haunting and ghostly activity. It is now open for guided tours and special events. Moundsville offers various recreational opportunities for residents and visitors. The city has several parks, green spaces, including the Riverfront Park along the Ohio River, which provides walking paths, picnic areas. There are also opportunities for boating, fishing, and other water activities.
Like a hanger straight from crown. Don't know how long you can last, as long as eyes hard to pass.
In summary, Moundsville's beauty lies in its harmonious blend of natural surroundings, from the calming Ohio River to its beautiful rolling hills. The presence of historic landmarks and the well-maintained architecture further enhances the visual appeal of the city. Whether exploring the great outdoors, strolling along the riverfront, or admiring the historic charm, Moundsville's beauty is sure to leave a lasting impression on all who visit.
Gotta listen